In this video, I'm going to show you how to make YouTube thumbnails without Photoshop using Pikzels AI. Let's get started. First, go to Pikzels using our affiliate link go.pikzels.com/dine and sign up for an account. Once you're in, you'll be taken to the dashboard where you can start creating thumbnails right away. On the left side, click New Chat. You'll see two options, Prompt and Recreate. With Prompt, you can type a simple idea like an F1 crash scene with a burning car and bold text saying, "It all ended here." You can also use ChatGPT or Claude AI to generate better thumbnail ideas, then paste them into Pikzels. After that, click Enhance Prompt to improve it automatically, then press Generate. Pikzels will create a thumbnail in seconds. If the score is below 80, use one-click fix on the top left to improve the design and click through rate instantly. You can also click Edit, brush over any part of the image, and type what you want to change, like removing objects, changing text, or adjusting the background. Then click Generate again to update it instantly. After that, just download your thumbnail and you're done. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.